Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Skimlinks for affiliate link monetization, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Skimlinks website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required information, including your email and website details. Once registered, log into your Skimlinks account. In your dashboard, look for the option to activate your site. Add your website URL in the provided field. Skimlinks will review your website to ensure it meets their guidelines. This review process may take a few hours. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Next, go to the integration section in your Skimlinks dashboard. Choose the method of integration that suits you best. If you use WordPress, install the Skimlinks plugin. Activate the plugin through your WordPress dashboard. For other website platforms, copy the provided JavaScript code. Paste this code into the HTML of your website before the closing head tag. After integration, start creating content on your site. Skimlinks will automatically convert your regular links into affiliate links. To track your earnings, return to the Skimlinks dashboard. Check the analytics section to monitor your performance. Explore different affiliate programs available through Skimlinks. Apply to programs that align with your content. Remember to stay updated with Skimlinks policies and guidelines. Now you're ready to monetize your site with Skimlinks. Enjoy the process and watch your earnings grow over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.